Since the Parkland, Florida school massacre, one North Georgia school system responded by voting to arm teachers who volunteered to carry those guns. Aisha, as you know, this was a vote that came only months after that Florida shooting.
Yeah, Ron, so last May, the Fannin County Board of Education voted to arm those teachers, becoming the second district in Georgia to do so. And you can imagine that was a very shocking decision for some parents. They were very split on this issue. 11 Alive's Ashley Johnson headed back there today to get more reaction from parents since this has now been in place for a semester.
We finally got a hold of the actual policy that's in place. When I first covered the meeting back in May, there were parents who worried, what if a teacher mistakenly shoots a child, and others who say it only protects children. It still remains a controversial issue.
Somebody shooting up the school at Stoneman Douglas.
It's hard to forget the devastating images last Valentine's Day when 17 people were killed in Parkland, Florida. 14 were students. Since then, schools everywhere determined to prevent another similar tragedy.
When you create a gun-free zone, you've taken away all the security.
That I believe that a teacher's primary purpose should be to teach.
Elliot Southworth, the parent and member of the NRA, is glad Fannin County took action.
I think Fannin will be much less likely to have an incident now that it's adopted the content of that program to a large degree than other school systems that haven't.
The policy states the Board of Education may authorize certain personnel to possess or carry weapons on any property or in any building owned or leased by the district, at a school function, or on a bus or other transportation furnished by the district. And employees deciding to carry volunteer to do so. All weapons must be concealed.
I work with some pretty big kids, know some pretty big guys that could overpower a teacher.
The superintendent sent a letter to parents saying the decision comes from making safety a top priority. Teachers who choose to arm themselves haven't had to use it.